on from hope to fear to hope. Okay, so initially I would start and request all of you to be very, very active in the chat box. And if you are able to see the slides, please type Y in the chat box. And today, in the day of Corona, today is the day of guided missiles in the hand of misguided men. Fast food but difficult to digest, broad roads, narrow hearts, smiling faces, crying hearts. There is love at first sight and there is divorce at first fight. Corona, Corona everywhere, and I say Corona mein kuch to Corona, because there is lot of fear, lot of tension, and everywhere there is a lot of difficulty which is plaguing the human society. So the introduction is already covered. This is a medical college just before the Corona crisis. I was giving classes for the undergraduate MBBS students, the MD students, the lecturers, professors, directors, and all the head of the departments. Because although the doctors are treating at the level of the body, who is treating at the level of the mind and the soul? The suicide rates in doctors are increasing, the tensions are increasing, and although they are treating the Corona patients, there is fear of career, there is fear of disease, there is fear of tension, and we are living with all that. And this is one of the programs I took for 5,000 engineers at Birla Institute of Technology on art of mind control and mantra meditation. So if all of you are interested to bring some change in your life and excited about today's session, please type BIO in the chat box. Bring it on. BIO, BIO. The World Health Organization did amazing statistics in this world, and every dying person was interviewed, and every person in the crisis was interviewed, and you will know to hear the amazing research. What are the three greatest fears in this world? Number one is fear of death. Number two is fear of loneliness. And number three is the fear of losing. Let us be honest and tell me how many of you have faced this fear one time or the other. Please type M in the chat box, M for me, where you faced a fear of death. Jahan bhal bhal bache. Thank you, Aniket. I'm loving the modest answer. Where you felt lonely, where you felt cheated, where someone used you, where you were lonely, and when there was a fear of losing. Thank you so much. I'm amazed to see the participation and the honesty of the audience. One of the beautiful translations from Srimad Bhagavatam speaks about this truth. You can see a grain snake here eating a tadpole over here. Materialistic way of life is always fearful, because at every step there is danger. Padam padam yad vifalam natesham. Material life is full of anxieties and fear. So many people in Japan, they slept at night and never knew that that would be their last meal, because it was a huge earthquake and they could not get up. Yudhishthir was asked the most interesting question by Yaksha. What is the most amazing thing in this world? इस संसार की सबसे आश्चर्यजनक चीज क्या है? And what was the beautiful answer which Dharmaraj Yudhishthir gave? Ahani ahani bhutani gachanti yamalayam. Everyone is seeing in Corona, ये गया, वो गया, वो गया, ये गया. But no one really feels that my number is going to come. How many of you resonate with me and understand this point? Please type R in the chat box. If you resonate with this feeling, if you understand this understanding, please type R in the chat box. If you resonate with this idea. Thank you, Praful, again. Aniket, Prasanna, thank you so much. So let us talk some basics from Bhagavad Gita about fear, about hope, about reality, about life. Any new thing we buy, whether it be a washing machine or complicated computer, there is a manual to it. What about life? Life is the most complex thing. And what is the manual? The manual is the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, 40th shloka. Neha vikramana shosti pratyavayo na vidyate swalpam api asya dharmasya trayate mahato bhaya. Neha vikramana shosti pratyavayo na vidyate swalpam. Swalpam means very less. In this endeavor of spirituality, there is no loss or diminution, and a little advancement on this path can protect one from the most dangerous type of fear. So I told you that the three types of fear which we know is fear of death, fear of losing, and fear of loneliness. But what happens and what is the actual most dangerous thing? Punarapi janmam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janani jatare shayanam, iha samsare बहु दुष्टारे कृपा करी पहे मुरारे. To glide down into the lower species of life. Once I was giving a class in IIT KGP, Kharagpur, and one smart fellow, he asked me a question. Sir, मुझे कोई टेंशन नहीं है. मैं चिड़िया भी बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं सांप भी बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं एलिगेटर भी बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं क्रोकोडाइल भी बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं चीता की तरह तेज भागना चाहता हूँ और हाथी की तरह खाना चाहता हूँ, मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ खुले आकाश में चील के तरह. I said, बॉस, सब कुछ ठीक है, लेकिन दिक्कत यह है कि जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि, and there is fear in every species of life. When a deer also drinks water 10 times it sees, कोई शेर तो मेरे को पीछा नहीं कर रहा है, कोई मुर्गी भी जब दाना चुगती है वो 10 बार देखती है, और फूड साइकिल में हर स्पीसीज एक दूसरे का फूड होता है. तुम उड़ो चाहे दौड़ो या खाओ या कुछ भी करो, डर हर स्टेप में होता है, and that is the fear. You may be in the best of 7-star hotels, you may in the best of the islands, you may be the most costliest ships, and you may in the most elite places of this world, but you carry your hardware and software everywhere. Brain is the hardware and mind is the software. और अगर आपके सॉफ्टवेयर में fear बोल के एक वायरस है, डर बोल के एक वायरस है, तो जहां भी आप जाएंगे आप खुश नहीं रह सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो डर हर पल मारता है. How many of you agree with me? Please type A in the chat box. If you all agree with me, please type A in the chat box. A for agree. And today, right now, today, in the next 45 minutes, I will be crossing this journey from fear to hope and role of destiny versus free will. Some people in this world, they say, Deva, alsi pukare. They will say, sir, jo hona hai, hoke rahega. Marna hai, corona mein main to mar ke rahunga. Yeah, I do agree. I give this beautiful example that there is a field, and in the field there is a stick, and from the stick there is a rope, and a cow is attached to that rope. How much grass the cow will take is decided by the length of the rope. How much grass the cow will take is decided by the length of the rope, but the cow has to get up and eat the grass. So destiny is the length of the rope, but the free will is that the cow has to get up and eat the grass. Nahi suptasya sinhasya praveshanti mukhe mriga. एक सोए हुए शेर के मुंह में आके हिरन घुस के नहीं जाएगा. In this world there may be fear, there may be hope, but although destiny is there, you have to take the action. Till then nothing is going to change. A 5th century Indian philosopher, a great writer, poet, Bhartahari explains beautifully the 9 types of fear. There are 9 types of fear in this world. Vedic life is so amazing. I will not be reciting the Sanskrit because I will just be telling the translation. In enjoyment, there is fear of disease. People want to have unlimited sex in Kali Yuga. They want to enjoy to the last drop, but God has kept a boundary. AIDS, HIV virus, right? Every time there is certain enjoyment, you want to drink, booze, smoke, enjoy. When you smoke with a cigarette in my hand, I feel like a man. But then you come to a radiologist. I'm an MBBS MD professor and head of the department. And when he comes with his X-ray and I put the X-ray and the CT scan, there are black patches in the lung. And that is a bronchocellular carcinoma. Ab wo 9 mahine se zyada jinda nahi jiyega. You drink too much alcohol, then you will get the cirrhosis of the liver. And the ultrasound will show that. Every enjoyment, there is fear of disease. In a family, there is fear of disgrace. A small person can actually disgrace you. जब शादी हो जाती है, कई बार बीवी आके अपने सास को डिस्ग्रेस करती है. सास और बहू की स्टोरी चलते रहती है. In wealth, there is fear of hostile rulers. Once a crow was taking a piece of meat and flying, and behind the crow there was an eagle. And as soon as the crow left the meat, the eagle left the crow. So more the wealth is there, more people will be behind you as a hostile rulers. Wherever there is honor, when you go up, again it has to come down. This is the law of the universe. Wherever there is honor, there is fear of humiliation. Donald Trump, such a big person. Kingfisher Airlines, Vijay Mallya, right? Nirav Modi, big shots. One day up and the other day down. And in the knowledge, there is fear of opponents. In beauty, there is fear of old age. Everyone wants to hide this fear. Just by putting a fair and lovely cream, you cannot become younger. And whenever there is power, there is fear of backbiters. In virtue, there is fear of jealousy. And in body, there is fear of death. Whenever you are waiting for someone to come in your life, there is also the fear that when he or she will leave and go. My dear friends, I want to tell you or ask you one question. Name any person or name anything in life which comes, stays and never goes. Name one thing or name one person in your life in which it comes and it stays and it never goes. So this is called the Vairagya Shatakam, okay? And renunciation alone stands for fearlessness. Jisko kachu na chahiye wahi shahanshah. It is very important to understand that wherever a hill is built up, it cannot be built up without digging a mound. How many of you are with me till now? Please type WM in the chat box. If you are with me till now, you are able to understand, please type. Thank you, Vipin, Shamli, Nakrani, Nashrat, Abhi, Karan, Tirupati, Prafulla, Sumnath. I am loving. You are with me and thank you very much. Whenever there is fear, it causes tremendous problem. Because the mind is more powerful than the body. And when the mind is fearful, it gives rise to a lot of diseases. Whenever a tiger is chasing you and you're getting a perspiration, your sympathetic stimulation is stimulated. Physical fear, there is perspiration, palpitation, increased blood pressure. Then there is social fear, how others will treat you. You will be considered outcast. Then there is occupational fear, when the pink slip will be given from the company. And there is emotional fear. वो कब तक रहेगी, वो कब चली जाएगी, मेरी जिंदगी में है भी कि नहीं है, वो मेरे से हाथ मिला रही है और उधर देख रही है. There is always fear. There is always fear. Fear arises when we accept false things as true, the temporary as eternal, and illusion as reality. Everyone sings this song, Happy birthday to you. But you know when I became really happy? When I was reading the Bhagavad Gita and I read the shloka, Nainam chinnanti shastrani, Nainam dahati pavakaha. Right? Vasangsi jinani yatha vihaya. When I came to know that I am not the body and I am spirit soul, I am eternal, I am part and parcel of God. Mama evangshu jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatanaha. You never took birth, you never die, you are always there. But the soul changes body just like as your cells are constantly changing in the body. It's a great news, it's a good news, it's a matter of celebration that no one can kill you, no one can hurt you if you are at the level of the spirit soul. The world of matter is temporary and illusory, and therefore the happiness found here is of the same nature. Our body too, being made up of matter, has the same nature. It can never provide us everlasting happiness. So let us go more into the details. Forgetting this way, we try to find happiness in the material world through temporary body, and we find ourselves in a fearful situation. Fear of change, fear of disruption, and ultimately death looms behind us, not allowing us to remain peaceful. So, it is very important for us to understand that however hard we may try to distract ourselves or forestall the inevitable with artificial technological facets, the jaw of time continue to devour us until we face to face with inevitable death, suffering from most heightened state of fear. So let us see some intelligent quotes from spiritual people. Krishna doesn't like his sincere devotees suffer or become frustrated or depressed. He will not stand by idly in any such case. So do not fear on that account. Krishna has got some plan for you. Always think in that way, and very soon he will provide everything to your heart's desire. Please understand, I'm saying a very important statement. Whatever is happening with you is best for you. How many of you agree with me that whatever is happening for you is best for you? Please type M in the chat box. M. if you agree with me. Okay, so many, Aniket, Nishikant, Shamal, Satyam, Prashant, Aditya, Karan, Abhi, Trideep, amazing. SM, Sumant, Shivendra. दोस्तों, अगस्त 1998 में मैंने अपना MBBS को ज्वाइन किया था. I completed my MD. इंद्रधनुष के सातों रंग मैंने देखे हुए हैं, घाट घाट का पानी पी चुका हूं. I have traveled all over and experienced. आत्मा को मानने में, आत्मा को जानने में, आत्मा को समझने में और आत्मा को महसूस करने में बहुत अंतर है दोस्तों. Right? No one can explain the difference in the taste of a rasgulla and a gulab jamun by using the best of vocabulary. Marathi, English, Hindi, Bengali, French, American, Japanese. No. Melody khao, khud jaan jao. The difference in the taste of rasgulla and gulab jamun can only be experienced, right? And let us understand some important aspects about fear. This is one of the beautiful shlokas from Bhagavad Gita, which is a matter to be realized. Chetasa sarva karmani mai sanyasya matparaha buddhi yogam upashritya matchitta satatam bhava. Chetasa sarva karmani. Sarva means all and karmani means all activity. Mai sanyasya matparaha. In all activities, यानी हर काम में, just depend upon me and work always under my protection. Krishna is telling to Arjun and he is telling this message to the whole world. Buddhi yogam upashritya mat chittam satatam bhava. In such devotional service, be fully conscious of me. और अगर आप ऐसा करेंगे तो आपके साथ क्या होगा? Next श्लोका 18.58. मच्चित्तः सर्वदुर्गानि मत्प्रसादात् तरिष्यसि अथ चेत् त्वमहङ्कारं न श्रोष्यसि विनङ्क्ष्यसि. विनङ्क्ष्यसि. मच्चित्तः सर्वदुर्गानि. If you become conscious of me, you will pass over all the obstacles of conditioned life by my grace. If, however, you do not work in such consciousness, but act through ahankar or false ego, you will be lost. Please understand Prahlad, the story of Prahlad. ये रामायण महाभारत कोई माइथोलॉजी नहीं है. मूर्खों के लिए होगा ये माइथोलॉजी. It's not a myth. According to me, Harry Potter is mythology. It is a fiction. It is not real. आज भी कुरुक्षेत्र है, आज भी मथुरा है, आज भी द्वारका है, आज भी रामेश्वरम है, आज भी नासिक है और आज भी जगन्नाथपुरी है. देखने के लिए दृष्टि चाहिए होती है. यो माम पश्यति सर्वत्र सर्वमक्षयम पश्यति. One who sees me in everything and sees everything in me, neither am I lost to him nor ever he is lost to me. One who is not disturbed in spite of the threefold miseries, one who is not elated with happiness, and one who is free from attachment, fear and anger is called the sage of the steady mind. Please understand my dear friends, आज का दुनिया कुछ ऐसा हो गया है कि हाथी के दिखाने वाले दांत अलग और खाने वाले दांत अलग. आदमी सोचता कुछ और है, बोलता कुछ और है, दिखाता कुछ और है, करता कुछ और है और इसीलिए उसके साथ होता कुछ और है. How many of you agree with me? Please type A in the chat box. कभी आपने न्यूज में देखा कि एक बंदर ने सुसाइड कर लिया? कभी आपने देखा कि एक कुत्ता कुतिया के साथ झगड़ा करके रेलवे ट्रैक में आ गई, मैं मरना चाहती हूँ? Who is the most intelligent species? Humans. And still we see that there is so much pain, there is so much misery. Every species in this material world can live till the highest point of potential. एक यूकैलिप्टस ट्री भी जितना हाइट में उसका डीएनए का ब्लूप्रिंट बना हुआ है, ग्रो करता है, लेकिन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स are facing so much problem. Fearfulness is the result of material involvement and engaging with material energy. Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 4, 24th chapter. Everyone is singing that song. कहाँ गए मेरे कागज की कश्ती और बरसात का पानी? मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि आपकी जिंदगी एक कागज की कश्ती की तरह है. Just like a paper boat floating in water can be destroyed any moment. Similarly, this human body can be destroyed any moment. However, if we take shelter of Krishna, we can go beyond this ocean of material existence. फियर के बारे में कुछ बात करते हैं भागवत से, भगवत गीता से. ये जो आपको पीछे मेरी लाइब्रेरी दिख रही है, 5000 books are there, the Vedas, the Bhagavad, the Puran, the Gitas, the Upanishads, everything. By churning this science and spirituality for the last 22 years, I have come to certain conclusions which I am sharing with you. देखिए साइंस और स्पिरिचुअलिटी में क्या डिफरेंस है. टुडे इज कलियुगा. देयर इज सो मच फॉल्स. कली दोष निधि राजन अस्ति एकत महत बुरा. जैसे गुरु वैसा चेला हो नरक में ठेलम ठेला. राइट? So many bogus gurus are coming, so many scams are happening. Nothing to be surprised because this is Kali Yuga, right? Real spiritualists are very rare. What is the difference between science and spirituality? Science in this world answers the how of things, and spirituality in this world answers the why of things. How does a person die? Corona, blood pressure, diabetes, stroke, cancer, 100 million causes are there. Why does a person die? And that answer is answered in the Bhagavad Gita. Antakale cha mameva smaranamukva kalevaram. How does it rain? Answer is there in the science. Evaporation, condensation and rain. But why does it rain? That question is answered in the Bhagavad Gita. Fear arises when a living entity misidentifies himself as the material body because of absorption in external illusory energy of the Lord. Some days back, I had gone to the Shmashan Ghat because a dear friend of me had passed away. And in that, an amazing statement was written, which really resonated with me. तुम जब आए थे, तुम रोए जग हंसे. तुम जब जाओगे, तुम हंसो जग रोए. Please try to understand this deep thing. In the 7 habits of highly successful people, always remember that live this life in such a way that begin with the end in mind. जिस दिन आपकी अर्थी ऊपर उठेगी, उस दिन ऐसा आवाज नहीं आना चाहिए कि बगल वाला बोला अच्छा हुआ धरती का बोझ हल्का हो गया, अच्छा हुआ ये पापी गया. What is the question which you want to answer before you leave this world? What is the legacy you want to live? Is life all about getting up, brushing the teeth, fighting, seeing a WhatsApp message, scrolling the Facebook, watching a movie on Netflix, fighting with the girlfriend, and then finally having a booze and going to sleep? Is life all this about? Life is very special. Life is a great gift of God. Fear arises when living entity misidentifies himself with the material body. When the living entity thus turns away from the Supreme Lord, he also forgets his own constitutional position as the servant of the Lord. This bewildering, fearful condition is affected by the potency of illusion. डगमग डगमग दिग्गज डोले, भगवान कुपित होकर बोले, हाँ हाँ दुर्योधन मार मुझे. विकराल काल जब छाता है, पहले विवेक भ्रष्ट हो जाता है. जंजीर बढ़ा और साध मुझे, हाँ हाँ दुर्योधन मार मुझे. Such a foolish person. Krishna was standing right in front of him, and he was thinking that he will arrest Krishna, and he gave the message to his guards that this arrest Krishna, right? Similarly, we under the effect of illusion cannot understand the basic things. Who am I? Who is God? And what is my relationship with God? There is very simple technique to give up fear. Understand that you are the spirit soul and you have a relation with God, and revive this relationship. So my dear friends, it is a Boolean algebra. All of you are engineers from IIT. You are the most elite section of this society. If you have 60% faith, you will have 40% fear. And if you have 90% faith, you will have 10% fear. And if you have 100% fear, boss, you have 0% faith. प्रहलाद को किसने बचाया? हर पल हर जगह प्रहलाद को हर पल कृष्ण ने बचाया. और हिरण्यकश्यपु अपने आप को बहुत स्मार्ट समझता था. मैं ना दिन में मरूं ना रात में मरूं, मैं ना अस्त्र से मरूं ना शस्त्र से मरूं, न मैं देवता से मरूं, न मैं दानव से मरूं, न मैं मानव से मरूं, न मैं दिन में मरूं न रात को मरूं, न जमीन पे मरूं न आसमान पे मरूं. और ऐसे वरदान से वो सोच रहा था कि ब्रह्मांड का राजा हो गया है वो. और प्रहलाद को उसने पूछा, कहाँ है तेरा हरि, बुलाओ, कहाँ है वो, क्या वो इस स्तंभ में भी है? And he took his sword and hit it hard. and from the thing pillar came a huge tumultuous sound. Wow! Keshavadhrita Narahari Rupa Jai Jagadisha Hare. The half man, the half lion. Neither it was day nor it was night, nor he killed him with the astra nor with the shastra. He tore apart with his nakhun or the nails. Neither he was a man nor he was an animal. He was half man, half lion. Neither he killed him in the sky nor he killed him in the ground. He kept him on his lap. And this is the beauty. When you have faith, God is always with you. And when there is fear, death always looms with you. I wanted to ask you an important question, दोस्तों. जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ कमाया है, लेकिन जाते वक्त सिर्फ 3 चीज जाएगा आपके साथ. And I have put it in the slide over here. Your karma, your dharma, and your bhakti. Everything else will remain here. Your IIT degree, my MD degree, your engineering status, your wife, your father, your mother, your country, your nation, your car, your clothes, everything. So why not focus on the eternal things and understand? Prakrite kriyamanani gune karmani sarvasha ahankara vimhodatma kartahamiti manyate. Now I want to ask you a question, and I need a lot of answers in the chat box. What is the one thing which is totally under your control in this life? Yes, please, I'm taking a small 10 minutes break to all of you. सोचिए आप लोग इंजीनियर्स हैं, दिमाग को दौड़ाइए. IQ is intelligence quotient, PQ is physical quotient, SQ is spiritual quotient, and EQ is emotional quotient. अपने SQ को जोड़ा बढ़ाइए. Okay, Aditya is answering Will. कोई एक चीज बता दीजिए दोस्तों इस जिंदगी में जो पूरी तरह आपके कंट्रोल में है. Okay, well, Aditya, thoughts, mind, will, no. Doing karma, okay, no. Actions, no. Decisions, wow, I'm liking the energy in the room. Our decisions, no. Answer me the one thing which is totally 100% under your control, दोस्तों. 100% faith in God, वो भी हिल जाता है दोस्तों. Not in full control, but I'm loving your answers. I'm loving your intellectual and spiritual abilities. Chanting नहीं, मुंह में राम नाम बगल में छुरी. कई बार जब कोई emotions, no. Our decisions, no. Our body, no. Not at all. सोचने पे मजबूर कर दिया, क्योंकि मेरे गुरु ने 22 साल पहले यही क्वेश्चन पूछ के मुझे सोचने में मजबूर कर दिया था. Actions, no. So, मैं थोड़ा सा ऊपर स्क्रॉल करके आप लोगों को बताता हूं कैसे एक भी चीज फुल्ली कंट्रोल में नहीं है. So, should I type the answer for all of you? I will also type it in the chat box. The answer is nothing. Okay, my friends, there is nothing in this world which is 100% under your control. आपका थॉट्स, चले जाइए एक बार में थॉट्स हिलने लग जाएंगे. मंदिर में थॉट्स अलग होता है, किसी के घर में चले गए, बहुत अच्छा खाना बनता है, हिल जाता है. इमोशंस को तो पूछिए नहीं. एक सुंदर लड़की आ गई, कोई कुछ बोल दिया, इमोशंस हिल जाते हैं. फेथ इन गॉड, हमारा फेथ इन गॉड तो जब मुश्किलें आती हैं लाइफ में तब फेथ बढ़ जाता है, और जब मस्ती चलता है भगवान को हम भूल जाते हैं. अवर कर्मा, यस, यू आर एंटाइटल्ड टू डू योर कर्मा, लेकिन कर्म भी हिल जाते हैं जब एनवायरनमेंट चेंज हो जाता है. और माइंड, दोस्तों चलिए आंखें बंद कीजिए और मैं कुछ आप लोगों को बोलना चाहता हूं. दोस्तों आंखें बंद कीजिए, और जो मैं बोल रहा हूं इसके बारे में आपको नहीं सोचना है, एंड दैट इज लाल बंदर. आंखें खोलिए. क्या सोचा आप लोगों ने? लाल बंदर. लेकिन मैंने तो बोला था लाल बंदर के बारे में नहीं सोचने. सो माइंड इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट अंडर द कंट्रोल. विल, आवर विल आल्सो कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग. Yes, why the motivational always? Yeah, very good question, Vipin. I totally agree with you. बहुत सारे motivational speakers आजकल YouTube में बोलते हैं control your thoughts. My dear friends, you cannot control your thoughts. You can just affect your thoughts. What is meditation? Meditation means from thinking to feeling to being, and I'll be discussing this in the end. Beautiful question. Please give a big hand to Vipin. बिकॉज मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर मोटिवेशन देके चले जाते हैं, लेकिन वो मोटिवेशन टिकता नहीं है। द ग्रेटेस्ट न्यूज ऑफ होप इज टू अंडरस्टैंड द रियलिटी, अथा तो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा। एंड व्हाट इज दैट रियलिटी? हु एम आई, हु इज गॉड, एंड व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप विद गॉड। अगर आप लोग को पानी से डर है तो जाके पानी के बगल में बैठिए। अगर आपको आसमान से डर है, हाइट्स का, तो बंजी जंपिंग करके देखिए। द बेस्ट रेमेडी फॉर फियर इज टू फेस इट, डोंट रन अवे फ्रॉम इट। फियर से अगर डर लग रहा है, रात को अंधेरे में भूत का डर लग रहा है, तो जाके अंधेरे में खड़े रहिए और बुलाइए भूत को, राइट? द बेस्ट रेमेडी फॉर फियर इज टू फेस इट। दैट्स व्हाई माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, नॉलेज इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। एंड विद्या, आजकल तो इतने सारे विद्यापीठ खुल रहे हैं, हाँ? भारतीय विद्यापीठ, मुंबई विद्यापीठ, लखनऊ विद्यापीठ, कानपुर विद्यापीठ, बट ये विद्या है ही नहीं। विद्या मीन्स स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज। देयर इज मटेरियल नॉलेज एंड देयर इज स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज। रियल विद्या means to know what is this life, who am I, what is the purpose of life. One beautiful, yes, suicide, end of life by ourselves. Very good. SM has asked a beautiful question, हाँ, कि सुइसाइड तो सर अपने हाथ में है। बिल्कुल नहीं है दोस्तों। मेरा एक दोस्त है, एक बार पहाड़ में गया था कूदने के लिए। जब कूदा नीचे तो नीचे में एक हे स्टैक में गिरा, हाँ, मरने का मन था लेकिन मर नहीं पाया। कई बार लोग फांसी के लिए चढ़ जाते हैं और गले में रस्सी लगाते हैं, रस्सी टूट जाता है, मर नहीं पाते हैं, राइट? I am tell me one thing which is totally under your control. It's nothing, my dear friend. मैं बताता हूं क्यों, गीता में इसका ज्ञान है। So दोस्तों, cultivate the knowledge, the real knowledge, हाँ, and that real knowledge और दिव्य ज्ञान, ओम अज्ञान्ति मिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जना शलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। इस अज्ञानता को जब आप ज्ञान के प्रकाश को जलाते हैं, तब इतना सारा अंधेरा एक माचिस की तिली से चला जाता है, एक सेकंड में। बिकॉज वेन यू गेट दिस ज्ञान, आई एम टेलिंग यू वन श्लोका फ्रॉम भगवद गीता, सर्वगुह्यतमं भूय शृणु मे परमं वचः। सर्व मीन्स ऑल, गुह्य means confidential, and guhyatamam means most confidential. We have to understand one very important thing, that cultivate the real knowledge. When you cultivate the real knowledge, then the fear will disappear. Whenever you are fearful, ask the following question. लोग किस चीज से डरते हैं? फेलियर से। लोग इस चीज से डरते हैं कि मेरा पार्टनर मुझे छोड़ के चला जाएगा, हमारा कैरियर में क्या होगा, प्लेसमेंट्स नहीं हो रही है, वीजा नहीं मिल रही है। अरे यार, जस्ट आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन। अगर आप कोई चीज से डर रहे हैं तो सोचिए कि अगर ज्यादा से ज्यादा हुआ क्या हो जाएगा? भाई, मर जाऊंगा मैं? अरे क्या हो जाएगा, मर जाऊंगा तो? सोल इज इटर्नल। क्या हो जाएगा, मेरी जॉब चली गई तो? खाना पीना बंद हो जाएगा क्या? सो वेन एवर यू आर इन टेंशन, आस्क द क्वेश्चन कि क्या मैक्सिमम उखाड़ लेंगे? अगर ये हो गया, ओके, देन यू विल सी दैट द फियर वैनिशेस। So what is the answer? I'm just coming to the end of today's session. The divine consciousness is the journey from fear to hope. Come in the divine consciousness, दिव्य चेतना। इस दिव्य चेतना में जब आप रहते हैं, जब परमात्मा के साथ आप डीपली कनेक्टेड होते हैं, मम एवांशो जीवलोके जीवभूत सनातना, God's energy flows through you. मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघायते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुदीनतारिणं। मूकं करोति वाचालं, जो मूक व्यक्ति है, डम पर्सन, he will become talkative. पंगुं लंघायते गिरिं, a person who is not able to walk will cross the Mount Everest. यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे, one who has got the mercy of the Supreme Personality of God, Shri Guru Deenatarinam. Right? So we have to cultivate this divine consciousness. And what the most you can do? I am not telling you to do the best, because you cannot do the best. Elephant cannot win the race with a cheetah, how much ever practice he does. And a cheetah cannot eat like a elephant, how much ever it tries. Every species has specific abilities. Every human has some divine gift. You do your best. Don't try to do the best. You do your best and leave the rest. कर्मण्यवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचनः। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपकी जिंदगी में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है ना, कितने लोगों की जिंदगी में प्रॉब्लम है, प्लीज टाइप पी इन द चैट बॉक्स। डरिए मत कि लोग क्या सोचेगा मेरे बारे में। सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग? ओ माय गॉड, आई हैव फॉलन इन लव विद ऑल ऑफ यू। त्रिदीप, त्रिवृत्ति, सत्यम, करण, आर्यन, सत्यम, अभी, अमेजिंग। दिस इज सच अ ऑनेस्ट ऑडियंस, आई कांट फॉरगेट दिस टाइम। दोस्तों, मैं आप लोग को प्रणाम करता हूं क्योंकि आप लोग सच बोल रहे हो। अगर कोई व्यक्ति बोलता है कि मेरे जिंदगी में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो खुद को धोखा दे रहा है, दुनिया को धोखा दे रहा है, क्योंकि कृष्ण ने बोला है गीता में, दुखालयम शाश्वतम। जैसे हिमालय मीन्स अबोर्ड ऑफ स्नो, दुखालय मीन्स अबोर्ड ऑफ मिजरी। नाउ लिसन टू दिस स्टेटमेंट। फॉर ऑल द पीपल हु आर गोइंग टू स्टे टिल द एंड, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू गिफ्ट्स। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट अ गिफ्ट? प्लीज टाइप जी इन द चैट बॉक्स। जी फॉर गिफ्ट, जी फॉर गिफ्ट, जी फॉर गिफ्ट। आई एम गोइंग टू गिव अ गिफ्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू। एंड ये वर्बल गिफ्ट्स होंगे जिससे आपकी जिंदगी चेंज हो जाएगी। इफ यू कीप ऑन डूइंग द सेम थिंग्स विच यू हैव बीन डूइंग, योर लाइफ विल रिमेन द सेम एज इट वॉज। अगर आप जिंदगी में वही काम को करते रह रहे हैं जो आप करते आए हैं, तो आपकी जिंदगी भी वैसे ही रहेगी जैसे वो थी। सो इफ यू वॉन्ट टू बी सक्सेसफुल, whatever problem life gives you, embrace it, accept it, thank God that, thank you God, मैं बहुत ढीला स्टूडेंट हूँ, मेरे को एग्जाम देना अच्छा नहीं लगता है। अच्छा है आप मुझे अलग अलग टेस्ट में डाल रहे हो, क्योंकि वही सोना चमकता है जो आग में तपाया जाता है। वही सोना चमकता है जो आग में तपाया जाता है। जिसके लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम आता है, जिसके लाइफ में फियर आता है, उसी को वो एनर्जी मिलता है वो फियर से निकलने के लिए। When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Remember this statement. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. इतना बड़ा पत्थर को उठा रहा है ये स्टूडेंट, उठा तो रहा है लेकिन उसके मसल्स भी बन रहे हैं। Right? Please understand. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Complain मत कीजिए। कंप्लेन मत कीजिए इस दुनिया में कि सारे फालतू लोग मेरे जीवन में आ रहे, सब यूजलेस चीज हो रही है, मेरे लाइफ में कोई खुशी नहीं है। बिकॉज योर वाइब अट्रैक्ट्स योर ट्राइब। व्हाट इज द कॉन्शियसनेस ऑफ योर्स? जैसे एक मधुमक्खी ढूंढ ढूंढ के कचरे में भी फूल पे बैठती है, और एक मक्खी ढूंढ ढूंढ के फूल के बगीचे में भी कचरे में बैठती है। आपको मक्खी बनना है या मधुमक्खी? प्लीज टाइप इन द चैट बॉक्स M for Makhi and M for Madhumakhi. I'm just doing some light talk here and there. M for Makhi and M for Madhumakhi, right? So please become a honey bee. Look for flower. Thank you Shavendra for that huge Madhumakhi. Right चीज को दुनिया में खोजिए, क्योंकि हम लोग गलत जगह पे गलत चीज खोज रहे हैं। Your life, अभी मैं गिफ्ट्स दे रहा हूं आप लोग को। I'm going to rain gifts. It's monsoon time. It's monsoon time. I'm going to rain gifts. आपकी जिंदगी वैसा ही होगा जैसे 5 लोगों की चेतना में आप जिंदगी को जी रहे हैं। चेतना मत, हु आर द 5 पीपल जिसकी चेतना में आप इस जिंदगी को जी रहे हैं, वो 5 लोगों का एवरेज ही आपका जिंदगी होगा। इफ यू एसोसिएट विद द लास्ट बेंचर्स, द फेलियर्स, very soon you will become a failure. If you associate with the boozers and drunkards, you will become a drunkard. And if you want to become a spiritualist, a powerful motivator and a successful person, associate with the people who are spiritually successful. Bhagavad Gita chapter 4 10th shloka. Being freed from attachment, fear and anger, being fully absorbed in me and taking refuge in me, many persons in the past became purified by my knowledge, and thus they all attained transcendental love for me. So दोस्तों, आज सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है पता है? पुरानी बातों को सोच सोच के दुखी होते रहते हैं, कल की बातों को सोच सोच के टेंशन होते रहते हैं। Past is a history, future is a mystery. Be in the present moment, do your best and leave the rest. दोस्तों, एक चीज जिंदगी में हमेशा याद रखिएगा। This is the message which I want to give you today. Wherever your attention goes, energy flows. अगर अपने लाइफ में पढ़ाई में ध्यान देंगे तो टॉपर बनेंगे, अगर लाइफ में सिर्फ गर्लफ्रेंड के ऊपर, बॉयफ्रेंड के ऊपर ध्यान देंगे तो फिर अच्छा लैला मजनू और हीर रांझा का स्टोरी आपका हो जाएगा। अगर खाना बनाते वक्त, कुकिंग करते वक्त कुकिंग में भी ध्यान नहीं गया, you will see that you won't be able to focus and the food will be spoiled. Wherever your attention goes, energy flows. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is telling, Shukla Vastra Machi Bindu Lokalena Lokai Sanyasira Alpachidra Sarvalok Gai. एक सफेद कपड़ा, शुक्ल वस्त्र, माछी बिंदु, black dot. Yes, Vipin, I can't find the difference between the best and your best. Thank you for that question, Vipin. I'll take it in the end. Yeah, beautiful question. Please understand. देखिए, आप लोग गांव में देखे होंगे कि लोगों को लाइन में बैठाया जाता है और खाने में ऐसे प्लेट्स दिए जाते हैं, फिर नमक, पानी, नींबू, अचार, पूड़ी, पराठा, ऐसे करके एक आता है। किसी का भी ये फोकस नहीं होता कि प्लेट में क्या है, फोकस तो यही होता है कि बाल्टी में क्या है, अभी तक आया नहीं है मेरे को, अरे पनीर ला, पूड़ी ला। हाँ, चंद्रमा भी लोग गलतियां निकाल लेते हैं। कोई चंद्रमा को देख के बोलता है कितने सुंदर किरण है, तो दूसरा बोलता है ये काले धब्बे क्यों है, क्या चंद्रमा काले धब्बे के बिना नहीं हो सकता? आपका फोकस लाइफ में कहां है, दैट रियली मैटर्स। क्या आप डर पे फोकस किए हैं? जितना आप डर पे फोकस करेंगे आपका डर बढ़ेगा, फियर बढ़ेगा, और जितना आप होप पे फोकस करेंगे आपका होप बढ़ेगा। दिस इज द सीक्रेट ऑफ सक्सेस। सो हियरिंग अबाउट एंड ग्लोरीफाइंग द लॉर्ड are identical with transcendental nature of the Lord, and by so doing you will always be in the association of the Lord and come out of all the fears of life. Bhoktaram yajna tapasam sarvaloka maheshwaram. A person in full consciousness of me, knowing me to be the ultimate beneficiary of all sacrifices and austerities, the supreme Lord of all planets and the Devatas, and the benefactor and well-wisher of all living beings, attains peace from the pangs of material nature. Srila Prabhupada, the founder Acharya of International Society for Krishna Consciousness, in the Bhagavad Gita 12.7th purport says, one should give up all other processes of self-realization and simply execute devotional service in Krishna consciousness. That will enable one to reach the highest perfection of life. There is no need for one to consider the past sins, action of his past life, because the Supreme Lord fully takes charge of him. So, last but not the least, a devotee of the Lord is always fearless because of the protection given by the Lord to him. Bhajahu re mana Shri Nandanandana Abhaya charanara vindare Durlabha manava janama satsangye Tarauve bhava sindhure. It's a very deep meaning, my dear friends. Bhajahu re mana Shri Nandanandana. Worship Lord Krishna, who is the giver of fearlessness. Abhaya charanara vindare दुर्लभ मानव जन्म. इस दुर्लभ मानव को जन्म लेके the purpose of life is to come out of this material existence. सीत आतप वातवरीशन ए दिन यामिनी जागिरे. The seasons will come, the seasons will go, the seasons will change, and behind the flickering pleasure I am running, but it will be lost very soon. And here I wanted to say a very important line before I end, and you see my cursor. Edhana yovana putra parijana ithe kiyache parakitire kamala dala jala jivana chalamala bhajahu hari padanitire. Kamala jala tala Dala Jala. A lotus in which a drop of water is flickering. It can fall down at any time. That is the way we lead the life, and life can go off at any time. So these are the ways by which we can become fearless. Shravanam, hearing about the Lord. Kirtan, playing the musical instruments for the Lord and singing his kirtans. Smaran, by remembering Lord Krishna. Vandanam by doing puja of the Lord. Pada Sevana by serving the Lord. Dasya means being his servant. Pujana by worshipping the Lord. Sakhijan, Atma Nivedan, totally surrendering to the Lord. And this is the way to become fearless. So I would love to end by saying a beautiful quote. Loving chains that tie, each precious moment flitting by. If you don't use a desire of choice, you won't have one for us to voice. And time will destroy the glorious past. Just memories will remain, memories will last. So I will request my digital team to put my YouTube channel link, where I have put more than 50 videos on various classes I have given in IITs, NITs, medical and engineering colleges based on the spiritual knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. If you listen to these lectures and if you have any questions, you can put it in the comment box and I will be personally answering them. Time and tide, wait for none. You can be the lucky one. Make the hay while the sun shines. And thank you very much for your patient hearing.